So here you go, folks. Floor is down and it's looking really good. So we got some laminated floor instead of some real wood floor because, you know, it's a small room. We didn't want to go overboard with the wood finish. This is reasonable. This is, you know, below £5,000 to be done. We got someone to come in and actually do the flooring for us. I mean, the only thing that I have a real bugbear about, which I wish I was downstairs to look when the guy was doing it, is just that little bit of a gap, you know. I'm not gonna let that bug me. That's first world problems. But, you know, other than that, I would have finished it a bit differently. Do appreciate that in the corners you've got these like little bit of gaps, but it can't be helped. Reason being is because the skirting board fits to the wall itself is not even, so there's no fault to the craftsmanship there. But as you can see, really good. You know, I'm quite pleased. Even the door threshold there, just beading. Really, really nice. Really nice color chose by my wife. You know, overall, good finish. So I would do another video probably about give the floor a couple of weeks to settle, walk on it, see if there's any movement, and talk to you about the company we've used to actually do the flooring for us. Really nice guys that we spoke to. I believe the gentleman's name is Adam, who's in the office. And other than that, yeah, we can't fault really. So the ceiling's really good. The only thing I need to do is to tidy this up because you can see I got really sloppy with the finish. And I'll do a review about the brushes I used. Oh yeah, I gotta clear that corner there as well. Right here. But yeah, I'll just do a review about the paint brushes I used. Majority of everything was from B&Q. All the paint was from B&Q. The tools were from B&Q. Yeah. I'll lay them out on the floor and be able to tell you more about what I chose, why I chose, and where to shop and everything of the sort, so that when you're doing a room, you exactly know what tools you can do, why, where, and how. Thanks for watching. Doo-doo-doo.